Hello everyone, this is Cheryl from Landpack. Today I'm going to show you about our Doypack machine for packing this cocoa roast. And this is our final product. And I will show you all the functions of this machine and how it works. So now, let's go. This set machine contains few parts. The first one is the weighing system. And the system is quite special. It's the belt weighing system. And here is the touch screen. After weighing, they're combining some weights and will send it on the material conveyor. And the material conveyor will send products into the bag. Here is our touch screen and it is Siemens. You can see the function we have: automatic page, manual page, why you need to test the machine, some alarm, and all the function you can choose it to be open or not, and debugging page, and the parameter setting page. And here is the temperature panel and some buttons here. The emergency stop function. And here is the bag giving part. And we can put all the bags here, like this Premade bags. And after that, it will be sent. The suction will be sucked from here, then send it onto this part. And this is our code printer. We can print our dates, lot number, batch number, or expire dates via this device. And after that, we have our zipper opening device. This whole part. We have some cylinders to control it. And this part will help to open the zipper. And next part is for feeding material. This is the feeding hopper. And the size of this mouth is customized by your bag size. And when go to the next part, we can add another function for feeding other material. And for the next function, we'll have a device to strength to make the bag tight, and will be heat sealing. And the temperature can be controlled on the temperature panel. After that, the bag will fall on the output conveyor. So this is all for today. If you like our machines and our videos, please give us a big thumbs up and share the links to your friends and comments down below. So this is Cheryl for all today. See you next time.